Okay, so I'm going to make another YouTube video about these. Um, get them off TVs. I see guys breaking these apart all the time. I don't think that's a good thing to do. If you take them apart, it don't take no time at all to take them apart. And there's only a few little things that you got to do. Break these off. Top clouds out. Trash, plastic. These right here, I always just try to cut them off. That whole thing pops right off. There you go. Now, if you look right here and here, and then down in here, there's little knobs. I like to do those real quick. Take them off. That way, in a later process, it comes right apart. Now, break off the top. And this is where I say take it apart. Take the tape off because it makes it a lot easier. Of course, I'm going to have a little bit of problem, right? Okay. Throw that away. Now, this is the only thing I really do break. Just boom, snap it. Comes in 4 pieces. Boom. Sometimes they don't come right off, but most of the time they do. If not, just unwind it a little bit. Alright, water it up. And we got a nice little ball of copper. You got your ferrous metal here. Save that too. Got little clips right here and on the other side. Take them off. Take your ferrous metal here. Pry it apart. Maybe not. There we go. Sometimes it breaks apart, but that's no big part of big pieces. So there's your ferrous metal there. Now all you need to do, pry up underneath right here. There's one. There's 2. There's 3. And there's 4. And it's all set. That's pretty simple. Thanks.